When your contest or giveaway is over, ShortStack has made it simple to choose one or more winners at random. To start, you'll need to view your list of entries in the Entries Manager. There are a number of ways to navigate there. If you navigate to the Entries Manager from the home screen, filter on your list by clicking here and selecting it. Another way to view your entries is by opening your giveaway in the Builder and clicking this View Entries icon. The list will open in the Entries Manager. You can filter the list by any of the parameters you see here. For example, you can display the approved entries only, entries collected within a specific time frame, entries you've tagged with a specific label, and much more. Once you're done filtering your list and you're ready for ShortStack to select one or more winners, click Actions at the top and select Pick Random Entries Winners. Indicate how many entries you'd like to select. Use the default winner label or add one of your own. If you've enabled the Refer a Friend feature, check this box to give an extra chance to win for each referral point received. Under Filters, if you've included a custom text box, checkbox, drop-down, radio, hidden, or URL field in your giveaway's entry form, you have the option of filtering entries by the data inputted in those fields as well. When you're done, click Submit and Close. ShortStack will choose the number of winners you've indicated based on your criteria. If you like, click Export Entries to export the list of winners into a CSV file.